Well, we're stuck in a road construction. They're having a bunch of road construction up here, so I'm going to be 5 or 10 minutes late getting to the doctor. I never seen so much crap. I'm trying to hold it steady, but they're not doing, but laying some new asphalt. We're not coming back this way, we're going another way, come home. Look at this crap. At least they're lifting the quarantine. They got people working without a mask. Yep, that's what they got. They got dump trucks dumping asphalt and people laying it down. Don't ask me what they're doing. Well, they dug out some holes. There we go. I got an oil truck up here scattering oil. At least I'll get to the doctor sometime today. Sorry about all the bumping. That's why they're fixing the roads. If you figured that out. I want that tractor there. Lay down machine, whatever they want to call it. Nobody's got masks. How come road construction people weigh 500 pounds apiece? I have no idea. I guess they don't use shovels no more. They use equipment. So no matter how fat you are, you can still sit on behind the wheel. Thank God for that. Here we go. That's why I can still drive. Too fat to walk, so I can drive. They all lighten up here. Watch that old man there in front of us. He's crazy. He's afraid of everybody. I don't want to be with him. He rides somebody's butt. They got a lot of them stuck. There's this water tank. Yeah, the traffic's sort of backed up, people. We just found out in northern Rockies it's going to be snowing for the next few days. The time we get up there, it'll be snowing. I guess we'll go snow skiing. I brought my swimming trunks. I was going to go swimming. Guess not. Should have brought my ski boots. All right, I'll let you guys go. Talk to you later.